Hello, today we're gonna test some Yashicas. Actually, I do have a bunch. This one particular, it's a Yashica Mat 124, and it's actually a very interesting camera, very nice to shoot with. Not quite top of the line. He's got also the exposure meter, which mine is so-so, but and also doesn't look great, as you can see here, but from mechanical point of view it's actually working very well, and I'm really curious to see how the lens will perform. I just cleaned it. The shutter was a little bit stuck, but that is fixed now, and I will take it for a spin around my neighborhood. Maybe we go on a park and we're gonna have some nice pictures during the weekend. All right, so let's see what this baby can do. Okay, all right, have fun.